Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle, a binary puzzle, in addition of today's newspaper on Wednesday, March the 13th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star and the 4-star Sudoku. So two puzzles remain. The Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, in Dutch they call it Cyber Block, in Japanese Suguru. And this one you are interested, yes, it's the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number, I believe number 8186. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 16 printed digits. That's a lot, 16. Hard ones has always 12, 13 printed digits. This one has 16. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always in a column or in a row, there are always 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Then we have here 3 O's. If I place number 5 there, number 4 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes in O. Then we have here 3. Wait. Well. 1. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And then 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's, and between the O's comes in 1. Finish in 2 minutes. Well, we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.